Hello kids, today I am going to teach you about verb tenses. Verb tenses depend on when the action takes place. There are three verb tenses: past, already happened; present, happening now; future, will happen. Past tense, already happened. Past tense means it already happened. When I want to write a verb in the past tense, I add ed, okay? But not all verb follow the rule. Doesn't apply all the verbs. Example, she walked in the park. We add ed to show the verb walk to show that happened in the past. We add ed because to show that will happen in the past. They dance to their favorite song. We add ed to show that happened in the past. Not all action verb like to follow the rules when we talk in the past. So that means not all verb we can add ed to they are in the past. For example, he slept for 9 hours. He slept for 9 hours. For the verb sleep, I didn't add ed like I do with other verb. I change completely and say slept. Okay? I completely change and say slept, not sleep. Another example, the girl ate her dinner. In this sentence, I use ate, not eated. Okay? Present tense, happening now. Present tense means it is happening now depending on the subject in the sentence. I either add s or es. Okay, I either add s or es, or I just keep all the verb as is. Example, she writes in her journal, my sister cooks dinner. For all these examples, we added s or es to the verb because the subject is singular. Subject is singular. Another example, they look for curls. They dance together. For both verbs, we did not add es or es. We left them as is because the subject is plural. In this example, the subject is plural. Okay. Future tense, will happen. Add will. Future tense means will happen, and in that case we add the word will for the verb. वर्ब के लिए हम will का यूज करेंगे. It will rain tomorrow. She will read the last chapter. We will eat the whole pizza pie. For all these examples, it shows that it will happen in the future. So, these are the tenses: present tense, past tense, present, future. So far we learned that we have three tenses, three verb tenses. Present tense means already happened. Present tense means happening now. Okay. Past tense means already happened, and future tense means will happen. पास्ट टेंस मीन्स जो पहले हो चुका है, प्रेजेंट टेंस मीन्स जो अभी हम कर रहे हैं या जो हो रहा है, फ्यूचर टेंस मीन्स जो हम फ्यूचर में करेंगे, जो वर्क हम करेंगे. सो दैट्स द वर्ब टेंसेस. Now that's the end of the video. Thank you.